I'm standing on $5 million of real money, the largest grand prize in entertainment history. And competing for this $5 million are these 1,000 contestants. Come on in! What you are witnessing is real. A record-breaking number of 1,000 players is currently stampeding this arena. But only one of these 1,000 people you are seeing will have what it takes to beat everyone around them and take home this generational wealth of $5 million. Welcome to Beast Games.
I will die for this. I will die for $5 million.
This is going to be crazy. Everyone's so excited. Good luck, man. This show is bigger than anything you could ever imagine. We got the most players, millions of dollars of cash prizes on top of the $5 million. We're giving away a Lamborghini and a multi-million-dollar island. We even built an entire city. I'm Mr. Beast. These are my 5 friends, and what you are about to see will blow your mind. Before the games begin, I have an offer for all of you. Most shows have a grand prize of $1 million. But on our show, we're going to give away $1 million before we even play the first game. Bring out $1 million. It's going to take a second. $1 million is a lot of money. There's currently $1 million in cash sitting in front of me. Throw 10 minutes on the clock. You will have this 10 minutes to make a decision. Stay in the game or press the button on your tablet and eliminate yourself. Those of you that eliminate yourselves will evenly split this $1 million I'm standing behind. So, if only one of you eliminates yourself, you'll become a millionaire. But if 50 of you eliminate yourselves, you'll each get $20,000. So, be honest. Do you really think that you are that 1 in 1,000 player, the rightful champion winner of that $5 million? Or do you want to take the easy way out and walk away with money while you still can? Start the timer.
If so much money.
Yeah, I mean, that's a lot of money.
I will not leave this podium. I will not go home until that $5 million is mine.
Oh, we got one. We got our first taker. As of right now, you're a millionaire. Oh, someone else hit it. All right, now you're only at 500,000 air.
I'm doing it. I'm out, bro. It's crazy though, bro. Because imagine you're walking in a casino. You would never get that in a million years.
We are halfway through the time. Right now, if you press the button, that's 250 grand.
No, you're not gonna leave for 200 grand? $200,000.
I'll leave it.
Because it's not worth it now. I mean, I'm not taking the bribe. No chance. I'm here for the long haul. To the end.
Do you think I'm gonna take the deal?
No.
No way,
This
Jimmy.
is crazy.
No way.
You press it. You press it. Why not?
It's getting a lot of people out right away, and that's less people he has to compete against.
Who's doing chance, man?
There's 2 minutes left. There's 2 minutes left. There goes an on.
I ain't taking nothing.
Bro, 90 grand's a lot.
You $5 million?
Under 1 minute remains.
Don't you dare. Get out of here. I should not have done that. I should not have done that.
10 seconds.
Press it now.
Hey, y'all are crazy. No way. Are you serious? No way. In the end, the total amount of button presses was 52 people, which means congratulations! You each just won a little under $20,000. All 52 of you are now eliminated. I have a feeling a lot of these contestants still in are going to regret not taking that money because this next game might be the most cutthroat thing I've ever done. Should have took the money.
Would this money change my life? Absolutely. Do I want to see a pirate ship? Don't want to live in a city. So much fun.
I'm ready to go to the city. I'm ready to go to the city. I'm ready to go to the city.
I do not belong here. I don't know how I made it here. I have no strategy. I'm done.
To the 948 of you that rejected my offer, there is no turning back. The Beast Games has now begun. And for the first game, you will all be competing as teams. This row is a team, this row is a team, this row is a team. You get the point. Each massive row of 80 players will be working together. Yeah, but I wouldn't cheer quite yet. And that's because, in order for your team to move on, someone must sacrifice themselves. Meaning that they will have to, at their own will, walk away from $5 million just so some of you can continue competing in these games.
I'm really thinking right now, I probably should have taken that 20K.
So if you didn't take the money to go home, why did you sacrifice yourself for the team?
I feel like I have to sacrifice myself. I just want people to know I really do care about them. And I wish more paying for life now. So I'm not going. I know you're not going. I know he's not going.
By the police. I'm not touching police.
Someone for the greater good of the whole team has to leave.
What'd you look like down that way?
It won't be me.
Nobody?
Oh yeah, and guys, one more thing. This game has already started. And it will not end until the last 3 rows to eliminate someone will all be eliminated together. Only 9 of the 12 rows will be moving on. Oh, whoa! That was good!
That's good.
Congrats!
Please.
What's holding you back?
Somebody else might do it.
Our whole row was just eliminated. My wife is still in there. Only takes one person to win that $5 million, not 2. Good luck, babe. All the kids and I will be rooting for you at home.
I try not to cry.
In a very platonic way. I love you.
You took one for your team.
I did. All of these people deserve a chance to win.
How you feeling?
I'm sad.
Everyone in your row, give her a round of applause for sacrificing herself.
Oh my God!
Now, a lot of you are probably wondering, is it even possible to drop 80 people at the same time? And the answer is yes. Drop the rows. Whoa, that is crazy. Oh my God. This row also couldn't find someone to sacrifice themselves. So there you go. I think we mixed it up for this final row. Hey, whoever's in the back, just start hitting random buttons. All right? Oh, this is terrifying. Oh my God! All right, that was diabolical. There's just one left. Any last words?
That's why I got number.
All right, and with that, the challenge is officially over. They should have got someone else.
I'm excited for another challenge, but also nervous.
So it's going to be tough, it's going to be stressful, but it's going to be over soon, and we're going to make it to the city, baby. Let's go.
The city she's talking about. Is no joke. This massive building you're seeing here is only the beginning. Welcome to Beast City! At the end of this episode, contestants who progress will move into their very own city. On top of that, later this season, they'll be fighting for their spot on helicopters to a multi-million-dollar private island, which one of them will be winning. They'll also be firing cannons on real pirate ships. There's monster trucks. They'll run for their lives from real Navy SEALs. And they will have to decide if a train eliminates their closest friends. And of course, they will have opportunities to win millions of dollars on top of the grand prize. However, not all of them are confident.
I guess the sad reality is not everyone can win. I think the odds are stacked against me. I've seen my competition.
The reality of it is that people are going to have to go. And I understand that at any moment it can be me. The fact that it hasn't been me really has a lot to do with luck, but it's the name of the game. And that's why we're here, to get down to one sole contestant who's going to take home the $5 million.
I have a 4-month-old son. My dad, he's a military vet.
I left my wife and my 3-year-old son.
But I want to fight for his future. Nothing I won't do. No place I won't go.
I will do anything it takes to win that money.
I've made amazing friends. Watching them get eliminated, it's brutal. And sure, each round we all get closer to winning. But moving on means saying goodbye to some really good people.
Are you guys ready for the next challenge? I'm gathering these games might be a little stressful for you. So for this next game, let's introduce something a little more familiar. You'll notice attached to each of your towers are some colored boxes. Inside these boxes are blocks. Your goal is to stack all of your blocks on top of the red starting block within 10 minutes. I don't care how you do it, as long as every block is stacked before the timer hits 0. At the end of the 10-minute timer, if any of your blocks are not stacked on top of that red block, or your tower falls over, you'll be eliminated. I will only be eliminating the first 100 towers that fall over.
I'm shaking. I got it. You shaking, bro?
You are free to begin once the timer starts. And go! We're going until 100 of you are eliminated. Go slow. So far in these games, this exact room was definitely loud. But somehow, even with over 700 players remaining, in this moment, it was nearly dead silent.
Hey, my leg!
Oh no, you still have more time.
Oh my god. Make as many squares as possible. So it's flat, 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 so it's less height. How does mine look? Do you see any weaknesses?
Top left. Yeah, you want to go over there because it's leaning a little bit. Yeah. No, no, no. You want to go over here. You want to counterweight it. Yeah.
Mine's done, but I can do.
I decided to go as strong as wide.
Do you mind if I poke it?
I would mind if you poked. I do not want you to poke it.
Okay, I won't poke it then.
They're laser focused. I know, I can finally hear you. I'm gonna let you handle this one. Why do I gotta handle it?
You got it, babe. Come on. Trust yourself.
I don't even know. I don't even know if I still...
Can you hand it back?
I can. I'm sorry. I can't. I'm sorry.
I think this might be the setup for me.
It's tilting it over this way. Towards the right side.
This side?
Center it out, yeah.
This?
Right there. And hold it first.
Attention! move. If less than 100 towers have fallen, we will continue until 100 towers do fall. And so while we're counting how many towers have fallen, if I were you, I would stand very, very still.
I'm really hoping that there were 100 other towers that fell over before mine.
I'm scared to move.
Here's a little behind the scenes. This is our control room with all the guards. And they're not going to stop until they've timestamped every tower fallen. Using our world record holding 1,107 camera system to find out which 100 towers fell first and who is going home.
I think you're totally good. You're definitely, like, good.
Don't say it to me.
Alright, everybody, can I have your attention? We needed 100 eliminations to move on from this challenge. And after reviewing footage from over 1,000 cameras in this room, I have a verdict. Over 100 towers have fallen, which means if your tower is currently knocked over, you might still be in.
There's so much sense in it. Even me, my legs are shaking.
On the count of 3, I am going to reveal the eliminated players. Are you ready to see who's eliminated? 3, 2, 1, go! You move on to compete for this money. If it's red, we're gonna have to drop you. There's a lot of people who thought they were out who are still in. And it looks like some people who are out and didn't realize they were.
That's God. That's God. I told you.
We made it to the next round. Let's get after it.
I'm just crying a little bit. I'm in. No one's gone though. So that's harder. That's harder. But I'm in.
Will you join me in saluting the people who are about to be dropped? Everyone salute.
Guys, don't worry. The first few minutes of the fall are scary, but after that, it's totally fine.
Drop them! Whoever remains after this next challenge will officially move into our city. All of you have made it very far.
Let's get it, baby.
It would be a shame to go out here. The only problem is, the city has 500 beds, and there's over 600 of you. We need to get rid of over 100 people. So we're gonna play a little game. For this game, you will again be competing in a team. But this time, it's the row to your left and right, which means they will vary in number. What do you think I'm gonna be having you guys do?
It's gonna be a bribe. A bribe.
That is correct. This game is the final hurdle between you and moving on in this competition. I will be offering bribes, and whichever person accepts it will eliminate themselves and their rows. The bribes will keep going up, and we will keep eliminating rows until we have 500 people. All you have to do is take your hand, push that button, and you will instantly be brought briefcases full of money. Almost immediately, the room erupted in chaos, and people started to introduce one another by their name.
My name's Jonathan.
Alejandro, that's my name. And not their number. Because in this final game, the only way to move on is by working together.
Yo, it's this way. That's great.
My We got this, we got this, we got this. I swear on everything, I will not take a bribe.
400. No, we're not doing it. Nothing. We're not.
Let's go.
We got a good team right here. We definitely going to the city, baby. We ain't doing this for nothing, baby. Come on, let's go.
You can barely communicate with him. How can you trust him?
You can't. You can say you can't, bro.
I haven't said anything to him.
It's kind of hard to.
Is there a number?
Yeah, but don't tell him.
This could be one of the biggest decisions of your life.
He's like a devil on the shoulder, bro.
Are you ready for the first bribe? Guard, bring it on out. I've got a briefcase here with $10,000 in it.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go for that one.
I had a feeling not many of you would go for that 10 grand. But the good news is, we have a lot of money. Bring out the next briefcase. Now, I have $20,000 up here.
Hey, yo, Jordan. Just letting you know, you're scaring people, bro.
Who, me?
Yeah.
I have no idea what they're saying, but I'm chilling.
$1 bill, I'm gonna take to screw you over.
None. That dollar amount right over there.
We're going until people leave, so
We ain't leaving.
Hey, wait, what?
Somebody took the 20K.
Dude, that's crazy. I felt so secure at the line.
Yeah, we're done.
What's the rationale?
It's BK. We're not here to make friends. 400. We're not doing it. Nothing. The fact is, I'm here for myself and my family, and I just.
Hey, gotta respect it.
I did it, bro.
It's just not fair. I mean, it is, but it isn't. Like, we just didn't do anything.
There was 8 players in that row, which means there are now 597 players remaining, aka 97 more people need to be eliminated. So, who wants $20,000? Nobody's going for it. No? All right, how about $50,000? 50 grand is a lot of money.
What do you think is the weakest link in your entire row?
Between us, 674. When it was first announced there was going to be this competition, we all looked at each other and we were like, no way. And he was, I think, the one that was just kind of like, okay, yeah, no.
Everyone trusts each other here, right? All right. It's a $5 million trust.
He's thinking. I'm nervous about that.
Oh! Who did it?
Oh my God, he pressed it. 6-7 for the guy that you were worried about.
Oh boy, they're walking in front of the people you eliminated. Let's see if anyone else wants 50 grand.
Right here, Doc.
Dude, what the Walter?
I feel bad for those guys, but
If you just don't turn around, they don't exist.
yeah, that's kind of the mindset though.
Don't take 50K. That's so stupid. I don't even want to look at him. I don't forgive him.
There's still 583 people here. Remember, we're going until we're under 500 people.
Somebody else pressed it.
What made you press it?
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't trust my teammates.
Really? You thought your team was about to do it? Oh my gosh.
Oh, are you serious?
All right, someone else hit it. We got another 50 grand taker.
You just broke my mind, man.
Like you said, it was either you or me.
I trust my team. I think we got it. I think we're going to the city.
We good. This ain't changing nothing. Yeah, we good. I'm not gonna look at it.
Have you ever had an opportunity in your entire life to raise your finger, tap a button, and instantly give yourself $50,000 in cash? Looks like someone hit it.
Sorry, babe.
In this challenge, I've already given away 320 grand, but I still need to eliminate 55 more players. Luckily on this show, I have unlimited money to give away. Wow. This row is dedicated. Their arms are in their shirts. Let's take it up a notch. My new offer is $80,000. Up. We're getting close to 500. Anyone else want 80 grand?
I might have to go first.
Oh, another one!
This is getting crazy.
Take the money. It's the right thing to do for you.
You guys are crazy. It's a ridiculous amount of money. We got another press. We got another press.
I dig it. For my family, I got to do that one. Dude, we all have families here, man.
There are 514 of you left. 14 more eliminations to go. To get us over the hump, bring out 2 more briefcases. This will be my final offer. $100,000 to anyone that self-eliminates until we have 500 players remaining. $100,000 on the line. This could be the last clap press.
Oh my god.
There'll be bigger prizes later.
I won't even look at it.
What is going on? All right, 173 hit it. Let's see if there's 8 people there. 1, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Small problem. There's only 7 people in his row, which means the number's 501. And I only have 500 beds in the city.
Oh, we're so close.
Yeah, don't hit it.
There's Lamborghini, a boat in the city. You guys can have it. I just want Tesla, okay?
We're going to the city.
Take the money. The city.
So far in this game,
Hands in pockets, Gary.
people from all over the room were boasting about trust.
We can trust.
신주 잡는 데 왜 맞지네.
Each other, right?
But sometimes, the people who you think you can trust the most are actually
Oh my God.
the people you can trust the least. And there we go. I believe! That is the end. If your tower is white, you are officially moving on to episode 2.
It's official.
Congratulations! And the final taker, $100,000.
Let's go, baby.
And with that, we are now under 500 contestants.
It's okay. I forgive him.
We've already given away over $2 million, breaking the world record for the most amount of money given away in the first episode of a show ever. And this is just episode 1. And at the end, someone is winning $5 million, the largest grand prize in any show in history. You still got a chance! And to the 493 of you still competing, say your goodbyes to your fallen comrades. It's time for you to move into your brand new home. And to the rest of you, say goodbye to $5 million.
This is the most insane thing you've ever seen in your life.
500 people is so many people. All right, guards, open the gate. Welcome to the city I built for you. Welcome to Beast City. I've spent over $15 million literally building a city from scratch. And now it's the city you'll call home for the next month. They literally look like ants. Before I reveal the final twist of this episode, let me remind you what you have to look forward to. I just want to say you should all be proud of yourselves for making it this far. We started with 1,000 contestants. You have made it to the top 500. And we're just getting started. In coming episodes, you will see the most insane, psychological, emotional, and expensive games in the history of entertainment, where people will compete for their very own private island, if they can escape the Navy SEALs hunting them down. Go! Go! You'll watch players make the choice between a train eliminating their friends and unfathomably large amounts of money. $1 million! And winning a brand new Lamborghini. And so much more. Good luck. Which one of these 493 players will make entertainment history? As their lives will change, but so will their bank accounts. And one of them will become the champion winner of the largest real cash grand prize in the history of entertainment. Are you ready? Throw up the 24-hour timer. When this timer hits 0, a game will begin where half of you
这边的话，什么这个什么这个啊，什么这个，我这个话，而且呢，把游戏呢，我先按到你了，一把，北面那东西。ai cái này cái nào tao về, ai cái này để bớt mai thật tao xỉu rồi. Tao có phân nào vậy nào?